back to my channel. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today's video is all about Poundland. I love Poundland. I don't know if you're ever in Poundland, but I certainly love it. You guys know Poundland is just not everything for a pound anymore. So once we go through this haul, I'll just let you guys know the price that I paid on the day for the things that I purchased. The first thing I bought was this bag because I could not help myself. Look how adorable. Poundland seem to come out with tons and tons of bags that are just too cute that I cannot buy them. So guys, the first thing I purchased is this gorgeous little bag, and it was only a pound. I'm going to leave this bag here so you guys can see it. We'll maybe just tuck the handle down and I'll pull out, if I can reach, the first couple of things. So guys, the first things that I purchased are a pack. I purchased these before, but I've purchased another set because there wasn't enough. These little Pep & Co Home decorative door handles were only £3 a pack. I think that is outstanding value. These are much more expensive anywhere else that I've seen them. This size is a 50 by 75 centimeters. They are what I need. They do come in smaller. They do come in larger, not smaller. They do come in larger, but they come with all the fixtures and fittings that you need. And I have these on drawer sets throughout my house. So I was really happy to get these for £3 each. They're just cute, adorable little drawer. They're door handles, but I've used them as drawer handles because they're cute. So I think that's pretty great, especially if you want to do a cheap renovation to some of the, upscale some of the items of furniture that you have at home. I think that's a great, cheap, inexpensive and stylish way to do it. And they don't cost a ton of money. Oh, how cute. I could not help myself. Look how adorable these little birds are. I do a lot of charity boxes and charity packs coming up in the run up to Christmas. So all the way throughout the year, I'm always on the lookout for things that are totally cute and adorable, really inexpensive, but I can put together and make it look like a gorgeous gift. You guys know that I, on my channel, I do normally show you guys, this little guy's eye is, he does have an eye. It's just hiding in there. That was bothering me. I don't know why. But you guys know coming up on the run up to Christmas that I start showing you guys how I put the packs together. And I'm going to do that again this year. But I've already started buying for the Christmas packs, even though it's still a ways off. But these little birds were too cute not to buy. These were only £1 a burr, which I think is adorable. They're going to be really nice. And I always think it's really nice to give a little cuddly toy, especially to a younger child who just maybe needs something to snuggle at night. So these are little cuddle burrs. There were two different types. This one's a little more grey. It has the gorgeous hearts at the bottom. And this one is a beige, and it's got little flowers like daisies at the bottom. I love how the fact that they have little hearts on their chest, and it just shows that when they're inside the little pack that somebody really loves these people, and they just get something to cuddle. So these are super cute, totally adorable. I mean, they're really big sized for only costing £1, and I think they're really cute and adorable, and they'll make great additions in the packs. I've always got, I give the packs anonymously, so not anonymous, because you guys know that I do it and the organizers know that I do it, but the people who they go to, I always request that they don't know where they come from, because it's just my way of giving back. And I would like to think if I was ever in a position like that, I wouldn't feel awful about taking something knowing that I've paid it forward, I guess. I don't know. I just don't want people to ever be grateful. I just want people to have things. So I just think that's a great way to fill up my little boxes, and these guys are so cute. So I bought 2 of those. I only bought 2 because some of the others weren't great quality. But, oh, what is that? Oh, just a bit of fluff. But if I ever see these again, I definitely will pick up a lot more, because they are really, really cute and adorable. Guys, again, I use a lot of bubble wrap. I have not a shop on eBay. But I sell on eBay. So, a lot of things that I've bought throughout my time doing, YouTube, and I buy a lot. I do a lot of resale. So I'll put packs together, bundles together, I'll sell them on eBay. If you guys want to check out my eBay, I'll put it in the description. No obligation to buy. You can just have a look. But I sell a lot, so I buy a lot of this bubble wrap. I did purchase about 5 or 6 rolls of this, but I just wanted to show you guys what you get for your £1, which I think is okay. But that only cost £1, which I thought was awesome. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. So Maltesers. My niece loves Maltesers. And Maltesers have got really, really expensive. For a box of Maltesers, I bought in Home Bargains recently. It was £2, which I thought was expensive because those boxes used to be £1. And I know the cost of living. I know the price rises. I get it. But I mean, that doubled in price. So I wasn't really impressed with that. But I did see the packs of Maltesers. There's 3 full size bags of Maltesers. I love these as well. So these are going to leave my house, or I will probably eat them. But 3 packs, they were $1.25 a pack, which I think is okay, considering if you buy 1 pack of Maltesers, it's around about 80p. So you're getting 3 packs for £1.20. So I bought 3 bags. 125, sorry. So I bought 3 bags. So she's going to be exceptionally happy with me. Her mum might not, but she will be happy with me. Guys, this bag is full of stuff. Okay. I buy Poundland Hairdye all the time. I'm a bit concerned that I bought the darkest colour. This is not traditionally the colour that I would use on my hair. But this is all they had. I do have a couple of brown ones that I got from Poundland before that are lighter. So what I'm thinking is what I might actually just use these for is to dye my eyebrows. And I know it's a waste to use all of this hair dye just on my eyebrows, but eyebrow dye is expensive. I always dye my own, and it's expensive. So to buy this is £1. So it's costing me literally £1 to dye my eyebrows. So I'm going to use this on my eyebrows. So I've got 2 sessions to dye my eyebrows. Guys, when you're using colors, I know these are cheap and cheerful, whatever. But when you're using the color, please do the Strand Test or the Skin Test, because these aren't always great for everybody. I've used Poundland Pro Color Plus a million times, so I'm pretty comfortable with it. But before you guys decide to go buy it, run out, buy it, because they're cheap, just make sure that you do the test first, because you don't want to get a reaction. But we're going to pop those right there, as I am going to unfortunately have to move that bag, even though that bag is so cute, because those little hats are adorable. So keeping in mind that I buy a lot of stuff for charity. They had these Christmas puzzles. We're nowhere near Christmas, but they must have had these in overstock, and they decided to put them down and sell them as reduced stock. They're 25p. They're great little stocking fillers, and they're 25p. So I picked up 6. Well, 6 is all they had. The rest of the boxes weren't great. So I picked up what they had. This is what the puzzle looks like. They're cardboard pieces. They're only 25p. I actually detest when shops, especially Poundland, put their stickers on the top of the box, because these Poundland stickers are so hard to get off. But I'm not going to complain because I got them for 25p. So I bought 6 of those, and they also will go into some of the little charity packs. I purchased a couple of other things. I purchased because they only had one of these Superhero Defend Mighty and Strong Block X. So these are pretty good to go in the charity box. They're only £1 each. And they have 41 pieces in them. You get the character, which I think is awesome. Some of them you don't get the character in. So this one I think is pretty awesome. Plus you also get to build the car. So this is what it looks like. So this is also for the charity. And 2 more things that I've purchased for the charity boxes are these. I love these Groovy Labs. I think they're so fun. I have actually done these with my niece before, and we've had a blast doing these. I've bought the Surprise Bath Bomb Lab, and I have bought the CYO Perfume Lab. Guys, even if you're not buying things to put away for Christmas, stocking fillers, birthdays, whatever, these are still fun to do with the kids. If you have a rainy day, and if you're in the UK, we always have rainy days. These are just fun, inexpensive ways to interact with your kids and have a bit of fun. Now, they do come also in boy versions, and I am going to get those, and they will obviously be coming in a further video, but they have some fun slimy stuff to do in the boys versions. But I bought 2 of the girls versions for now, which I thought was pretty awesome. I bought 3 more things to show you guys. I purchased a luggage scale. I had 2 of these, and my sister was home last year, and we were trying to weigh her bags, and we broke 2 because her bags were so heavy. So I didn't have one at home. So I decided to buy one so I could keep it here and have it as a spur, because my bags are never overweight, but my sister's always are. So we used it to weigh her bag, and the spring literally gave way. So I purchased this one so that I would that would replace the ones that I had broken. So guys, these were only £1. I mean, they're cheap, they're cheerful, they break. It is what it is. I'm not mad that it broke. I just like to have one. I don't know why, but I do. So guys, 2 more items to show you in this haul. I'm going to save the fun one to last because we're going to open that one. My poor little bag has got destroyed. So guys, I purchased this. You can't see this fully. Let me throw these over here. You guys have seen those. You're probably not interested anymore. Let me create a bit of room. I've created a total mess. I bought this little edge. This is a Nifty Kitchen Stuff 3-tier organizer. I'm a bit disappointed with this. Not because it isn't great value, because it is. This was only £3. I'm disappointed because it's too big for my cupboard. I mean, it may suit one of my bottom cupboards, but it wouldn't be accessible very often for me. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might actually give this to my sister or use it as a display. I'm really not sure what I'm going to use it for. I mean, it would be a good display for maybe my makeups and stuff. I'll have a look at what I've got to see what I can use it for, or I might give it to my sister. But if you guys are in need of storage, I recently bought a Poundland turning storage, which is smaller. It fits in my cupboard nicely, and I can turn it. It's got 2 tiers. I can turn it to see what herbs, spices, and things that I have, and it was outstanding. It is fantastic, durable, fits in my cupboard perfectly, and it looks really well. It is the white and grey. So I went and I bought this to think maybe it could go to the other side, but it's way too big. I mean, it's way too big. My cupboards aren't that deep. And when I close the door, well, you can't close the door. That's really just it. You cannot close the door. But £3 for that, I think, is pretty darn good. So if you guys want some nifty, clever storage, I definitely think this is the way to go. I'm just disappointed that it didn't fit my cupboard. But I will think of something to do with it. The last thing I got was one of these. They only had one left in the store, or I would have bought the whole box. These are so much fun. These are Universe. They're Universe. So they're little clouds with mystery unicorns inside. These are amazing. These are like £6 on eBay and £6 on Amazon. So to get it at £1 is it is just so cheap. Comes in the cute pinkish little packaging, but we're going to pop that to the side. This is your little cloud. Guys, what you're supposed to do with this is dip it in water, leave it, this disintegrates completely and turns into slime. I am not going to turn this into slime today. I am going to rip inside it because I do not want to have slimy hands. But it does disintegrate, and all of this white stuff inside turns to slime. But it's so fluffy. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to pull out our mystery pack. So let me show you guys what you get inside this for £1. You get empty bag. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 mystery bags. This mystery bag looks like it is the card and the checklist. So we'll do that one. Let's go ahead and open our friend. So inside this, you get a little friend. Look how cute this is. It's the throwing up rainbow, or throwing up a rainbow cloud. So cute. You get a little friend. Here's our little friend. It is this little gold person with a little note on their face. Very cute. Let's see if we can get you to... Nope. I thought it would have stood on our display. It doesn't. You get an accessory for our main unicorn. Ooh, what is this? Oh, we got 2 accessories. There's another one. So oh dear, we have got, oh, I think this is a little crown to go on the unicorn's horn. Cute. And a set of wings. Cute, cute. Let's open our unicorn. See who we got. I'm just going to tear right into this unicorn. Oh, I've got this unicorn before. So this is a duplicate for me, and that's okay. But I cannot remember her name. So what we're going to do is open up our little pack. Love the fact that you get the little scratch card. I'm not going to scratch that card. But you do get a scratch card to tell it what it likes and what it doesn't like. But I'm probably going to bag this up and give it away to a friend. And I'm going to let them scratch the little card because it's cute. Who did we get? We got this little girl. We got Goodness Goldie. Well, Goodness Goldie is adorable. So you pop on her little crown. How cute. We pop on her wings. And then we have her little friend. How cute. How adorable. Guys, these are so well worth £1. If you want to start like a little mini collection, these are too adorable. And at £1, honestly, if they had have had any more, I would have literally bought everything that they had. I am on the lookout for I will show you who I'm on the lookout for, because I have some of these, and I actually gave one of these. I bought one of these cloudies before. I had 2, and I gave one to my niece, and I opened one, and she got the one that I wanted, and she wouldn't swap with me. And it's the one that I had wanted for such a long time. And where is it? It's the one that has the water on the inside, and it has little beads that when you move it, it swirls. I cannot find it. I actually think it's this one right here, but I'm not sure. Dottie Donut. And she got the one that I wanted, and I asked her to swap, and she said no. So I'm definitely on the lookout for this one. But still really, really cute. Still adorable. I'm going to give this little toy away. I know to a friend's child who collects these. So hopefully she doesn't have this one, and I can give it to her. Well, guys, that's my Poundland haul. It looks a bit of a mess in here, a bit of cleaning up to do, but I'm happy enough to do that. I really hope you guys have had a blast. Let me know in the comments section what your favourite items are. I think mine has to be these cute, adorable little bears. They are too cute. Let me know in the comments section if you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Every time you guys hit the like button, it really helps support my channel, and I am very, very grateful. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to come join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Don't forget about getting notifications by hitting the notification bell. Guys, please take care. Please stay safe. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Please look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.